Yeah, welcome to the Referees Corner. We're going into Mabasa, which is Tears Galaxy and Orlando Pirates. There's what we call violent conduct. Violent conduct is when a player uses excessive force or brutality against an opponent when not challenging for the ball. Let's see what Mabasa and Damane did when the ball is out of play. Let's go and have a look. Let's see what happens there. You can see Mabasa is pointing at somebody there. The ball is out of play. Now what happens? Mabasa start there. One, that is violent conduct. Let's see what Ndamane do as he retaliate. Two, with excessive force. Now let's see what Mabasa does again in retaliation to that. Three, that is excessive force. And then I can tell you, Doc, nothing came out, no yellow card. But this is violent conduct until the assistant referee come in and separate them. This was supposed to be red card for violent conduct. Let's go to the next one. The next one, we see a handball. We keep on educating here that when the ball comes from the player's own body, there's more consideration after that. We see here Fezile handling the ball that comes from his head. So when the ball comes from your head and the player is airborne, is jumping, we see Abongile Tom there saying it touch the hand. Yes, but look at the player. The players there are airborne. So this is the position of the hand at that particular moment. This is justifiable position of the hand as the ball comes from the player's head. So now a handball offense has not been committed in this situation because the ball comes from the player's head and we can justify the body's movement for that specific situation. So incorrect decision to award a penalty for that situation. It was supposed to be play on, play continues. Now we go to the next one. We're going to ball scored by a hand by Grobler. Let's go and have a look because the law does not allow or accept a goal scored by the hand. The law does not allow that. But let's see, if we look at doxo consideration, distance to goal is very close. Number and location of defenders, Kele is behind. And then we go to this direction of play towards goal. The last one is the likelihood of the player gaining position of the ball. The ball is going towards Grobler. Then what happens? Kele hold Grobler. Grobler ended up using the hand to score that goal. We will show you the hand of God there. Nobody has the ball. You see, he's now scoring with a hand. So this is no goal, but penalty should have been awarded and a red card be given to Tele for doxo situation. So it was not given, incorrect decision. Let's go to the last one, where we see a player refusing to leave the field of play. Right, here we see Chiefs making the last substitution of the match. Right, 3 subs at the same time. 2 went out, the other one at Aniwumi, Anindao. And then what does the law say? You can see if we play it there, and Tuari there needed to come out, Bavuma there is ready to come in. And indeed, and Tuari did not leave. Bavuma is ready to come in to serve the penalties. Bavuma said, what does the law say? We'll go into the law and educate our viewers under Law 3, the players, to tell you what does the law says to answer you. It says the player must go immediately to the technical area or dressing room and takes no further part in the match except when there's a doctor. But the big one is if a player who is to be substituted refuses to leave, play continues. So now, therefore, play continues. And indeed, play continued. So correct this by Ujeli Chaban. Silo Sakusasega, doctor.
Good line after Sokazon. Not a spoon. Say the last spoon.
Oh.